team. Inside this box, there is a hidden robot, and today we are going to bring it to life. So let's start unboxing the DIY Wired Grabot Kit. As you can see this box, it is neatly packaged. What I love most about the Robotics kits is that it is not just a toy, but it's a new learning experience. While making this robot, you are going to learn the basics of mechanics as well as electronics. So let's start the unboxing. Let's see what's inside this box. So as you can see, there is a manual. I think students will not need this, as students are smart. Okay, this is the welcome card for the students. This is the registration card where you can scan this and register your kit and access the videos for building the Grabot. As you can see the box, there are many things in the box. So let's start one by one. We have this MDF parts, which are the skeleton of our robot. This is the motor connector, which is the brain of the robot. You can see there are some mechanical parts such as wheels, BO motors. We have a caster wheel as well, which will help the robot in making the movements. Next, we have wires, which act as a vanes for transmitting the signals. We also have nuts and bolts, so that you don't have to buy anything extra. In this box, you will get retainers. We have big bolts, we have small bolts, and a male to female spacer, and a Allen key. Next up, we have a remote. Let's see. This is the remote. It has multiple buttons on it, and we can see there is a switch here to turn on the power on and off. If you want to know about how to make this Grabot, first you need to register on this website, which you can go through by scanning on the QR code. Let us start registration process. First, we will open the browser and enter the website name, which is lms.robokids.co.in. So, as you can see, the website is open. First, we need to create an account. So, we will click on create account. After that, we are going to enter the number. We will click on generate OTP. After that, you will receive a OTP. You need to enter a OTP, your full name, email address, password, and you need to confirm the password. After that, you need to click on create account. After creating the account, now you can sign in. So we will enter our number here. After that, we will enter the password as well. Now, as you can see this interface, in this you need to click on add new kit. After that, you can see there is an interface for add a kit. Now you need to add the registration number, which is available on the LMS card, as you can see here. After that, we will click on add and click on view kit resources. Now you can see there is an interface for the Grabot Wired. You can click here, and the video for Grabot is available here. We have taken everything out of the box. Now let's start building the robot. First, we will open the wooden parts. So first, we are going to build the base of our car. For that, we need to remove this part. You can remove this easily out of this. Now, second we need is BO motors. These are essential for our robot for the movement. Now, as you can see, the motor has a shaft which should be outside and at the back, like this. The shaft should be backwards and its face should be outside. Now, let's match the holes. We will take the bolts, put it here. We will use this Allen key to tighten the bolts. We have finally completed the assembly of our Grabot by referring the LMS video. First of all, the robot works with the help of BO motors which are attached to the wheels. Now there is a controller which sends the signals to the motor through remote. After receiving the signal, it performs the functions. The similar things is used in industries. Let's test it. First, there is a power supply button which we will turn on. Oh, the robot is working. As you can see. Now try to grab the object. Now let's try to drop this object. Oh, it dropped the object. So parents and kids, I hope you enjoyed this unboxing and testing of this Grabot. If you love robotics or you want to start something, this is the perfect way to start your journey. I hope you like this. So please like, subscribe and share. Check the pinned comments to visit the website. You can also register for our next bootcamp where you can experience the hand-on experience with our experts. Thank you.